Welcome to the National Government Services website tutorial. To visit our website, go to www.ngsmedicare.com. From our landing page, you will read and then accept our attestation. To visit the website, you will use the left-hand navigation to select your provider type and the state you do business in. Then click Enter. This will bring you to our website's homepage. You can change your line of business and or the state at any time in this top right-hand corner. On our homepage, you'll see some quick link access right here at the top. You'll also see our call center hours, any planned outages, and our production alerts here on the right-hand side. If I scroll down a little more, I can view the latest news. If I want to see all the news, click the View All News Articles here. You'll also see a list of our featured tools. If you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see a quick glimpse of the upcoming education. If we go back to the top, we will see all of our navigation tabs. You can click Education to view all of the different education areas that we have for our Medicare providers. Click any of these links and it will bring you directly to that educational topic. Medicare Topics is a great place to go to view all different types of topics related to Medicare and our provider community. The Resources tab also provides several different resources available to our Medicare providers. Clicking any of these links will bring you directly to that area. For example, to view Claims and Appeals resources, click Claims and Appeals. This will bring you to all the different links that we have available to you related to these topics. To view events, click the Events tab. Here you will see a list of our current/upcoming events. You can click each event name to view more information. You'll click the Register button to register. And if there is material available for the event, you can click the PDF link right here to open and save the PDF. You can also view past events by clicking the Past Events link right here. And again, if there are PDFs available, you will be able to view and click the PDFs right here. Our Enrollment tab provides resources for everything related to provider enrollment and an easy step-by-step navigation. You can also click the Apps tab to view some of our apps. Click View All Apps to see everything. If you would like information on how to contact us, click the Contact Us link at the top. This will provide you information for a provider contact center and our mailing addresses. You can also directly access NGS Connects at any time from our website by clicking the NGS Connects link. And if you would like to sign up for our listservs, you can click Subscribe for email updates here. Thank you for joining us for our website tutorial. We hope this helps and we hope you have a wonderful day. Until next time, thank you.